little bit after 10 a.m. I have not taken any trades on my Apex accounts. On the Take Profit Trader account, been trading mostly micros, up 262 after commissions. Here's a quick example of how I trade these reversal arrows, in case you haven't seen a lot of my other videos. Waiting for confirmation. I'm also trading in between key levels, looking at higher time frames. A lot of different things. I'm not just taking these signals when they print. Here we got a reversal signal, looking for confirmation of a breakout, but we're right up against the 20. I'd want to see price break above the 20. We do not get a breakout above this trigger candle on the next candle. I like to see the breakouts happen the very next candle. On the next candle we pop up maybe a point, but we still haven't broken above the 20 SMA here. Another reversal candle. We don't break above on the next candle. However, the candle after we do break above, and we make it right up to yesterday's high. Taking a break at 59. Went up to 77 or so at yesterday's high. That's almost 20 points right there. Another reversal signal. We're buttoned up right against yesterday's close. If we wait for a break above that area, say 840, we made it up over 25 points there. Reversal signal here. If we take a break above, VWAP is right above, so I wouldn't be taking that. If we wait for a break above VWAP, we've got yesterday's close nearby. But if we did take the break above VWAP, 26 up to 35, it made it up to yesterday's close, almost 10 points. This reversal signal, we don't get a break above on the next candle. When we do break above and push above the 20, we do get over a 10-point move up to VWAP there. Those are some of the things I'm looking for when I'm taking these reversal candles with these particular settings. These settings are a faster speed, so I get more signals, but I'm not just taking them just because they print. Waiting for confirmation, factoring in quite a few different things. You can set the reversal signals to not print as many signals. I like to see all my opportunities and just wait for confirmation and confluence with a lot of other things that I look for in my daily trading. It all comes down to personal preference. Everyone's going to have their own different personal preferences. I got a little bit of a late start today. One of the reasons I have not taken any trades on the Apex accounts yet. I'm still navigating the dynamics of trading on two different platforms. I'm used to just trading only on the NINZA Trader, and if I want to trade multiple accounts, I just use the REPLIKANTO FLOWBOTS software, trade copying software. Here's another good example of a good trade opportunity versus no trade. Reversal signal right here, green candle. I'm waiting for confirmation if I'm gonna take this trade. After this big down move, I might not even be considering a reversal trade at this point. Price never breaks above the high of this trigger candle, so no trade triggered. Versus this trade, nice big red entry candle, red trend background. Looking at all this delta coming in. We got smooth sailing. There's nothing in our way until S1. Break lower, 91. We instantly pop down 30 points in 1 minute. Now we are breaking above this reversal candle area. We just popped up over 10 points. We've got the green trend background, green entry candle. Just looking at this massive sell-off. We're pretty close to whole number. Not an area I'm looking to get long in yet. Factoring in the bigger picture here, just not looking to get into a long right now. We just stopped short of whole number here. Got a nice wicking candle. Getting a little pop down now. You could also see as this candle was forming to the upside, we had a nice wick on the delta on the ES. Again, no ebb and flow signals on the 5-minute NQ, except a short at pre-market, the 9:30 close. Had a few ebb and flows on the ES though. I've had all these manually drawn support and resistance areas, all these purple lines on my 60-minute chart. We just came down to one at 44, touched it and bounced up over 30 points. I'm always keeping my eye on the higher time frames and the levels that I have drawn out on the higher time frames. It's 10:30 now. It's going to do it for me. No trades on the Apex accounts. I got that late start. Had to do a few other things that caused me to not be able to set up in time. So instead of trying to force things, I'm just not going to take a trade when I'm not fully prepared and in a good mental state. So I was talking earlier about having the reversal signals set to a higher speed so there's more of them. Got all these reversal signals. This is how I like to see it. However, if you want to see fewer signals, this is the exact same chart with some different setting speeds on the reversals. See, we're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total signals on this entire chart versus over 10. From 9:45 to 11:30, we don't get any reversal signals as we're making this huge down move. Just a couple retracements up here. When I've got the faster reversal signals, see we got quite a few signals on this down move, and also caught the 2 on the retracements. So on this chart with the fewer signals, I've just bumped up the overbought and oversold to 55 and 45. I've left the reversal speed at 9. If I wanted to see a few more signals perhaps, I could lower the reversal speed to a 3. Now we get some more signals. And these reversal signals are based on an input series of the Williams. The reversal signals, the background signals, everything will be completely different depending on what your input series is. You can go higher than a 9. You could bump the reversal speed up to a 21. There's not going to be many reversal signals unless you bring this back down to 50 and 50. Now we're getting a few more. Kind of like the 55 and 45 with the reversal speed of 3. I highly recommend playing around with all of these different settings, seeing how each of them affect the chart for the time frame and the instrument that you are trading. Here's from 11:30 to noon with those settings. So this is the exact same chart with the exact same reversal settings, except I changed the input series back to the default. This is the default input series of the close of the price on your chart. Same exact reversal settings, but now that we have the default input series, there's just a ton more reversal arrows. So again, there's a couple ways we can go about this. We could try bumping up the reversal overbought and oversold. That didn't really change much. What if we bump it up to 70 and down to 30? That changed a few of the arrows. So now let's move this reversal speed up to a 9. There we go. Now we just have 1 and 2. So now from 10:30 to noon, we only have 2 reversal signals, and they look to be pretty dang good ones. One pretty much right at the bottom here, and one before a very nice size retracement. Also, the trend background is now being printed by the new input series. The entry candles I have disabled. The entry candles have a separate instance of the trend and reversal indicator, and that's got an input series of the 3-period SMA. So for the default input series that comes preloaded with the indicator, the reversal settings of a speed of 9, overbought 70, oversold 30, that's what I've got for these reversals. So playing around with those numbers can dramatically change how this indicator performs. See, we didn't get any signals at all the rest of the day, so those are some pretty extreme signals. So just depending on your own personal trading style and what you want to see on your charts, there's a lot of different ways to customize these indicators to meet your personal needs. So even the rest of the afternoon, we've only gotten 2 more. These are pretty good moves after these signals. This is a 40-point move down after that signal. Another 40-point move down after this signal. There's links to indicators in the description, and there's also links to all the prop firms that I deem worthy at the current moment. Anytime you use my affiliate links or coupon codes, you help support the work that I do on this channel, and I greatly appreciate it. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.